playing a vocabulary game. Tap the word, say the meaning in Urdu. Understood? Yes, are you ready to play? Yes, ma'am. Okay, Sabrin, start. Come. No, garden. Very good. Yeah. Come fast. Domestic. Very good. Next. Alfia. Come fast. Friendly. Friendly means. Okay, go. Next. Alima, come. Grassland. Yeah, what the mean of? Yeah, Maidan. Okay, next. Hania, come. Be ready next, Rukhaya. Beer. Beer. Yes. What? Bhalu. Okay, next. First. Daughter. Daughter. Daughter means? If you have means you will be lose the game. Come Zoya. Gold. Gold. Out. Out. Come. 1 marks less girls. Yes, come Salma. Doctor. 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 Very good. Doctor means in Urdu? Fast, fast. Yeah, half marks for girls and 1 lose. Girls is over. Now boys. Come Tawhid. Oh. Sound. Yeah, mean of sound? Sunna? No, helping. Half marks. Come, go, get back. Fizan, come. Deer. Deer. Yeah. Of deer? Yeah. Half marks for boys. Go. Yeah. Come, Usman. Heart. Heart. Not heart. Heart. Out. Where is that heart? Okay, come. Half, and then 1 marks lose. Come first. Paper. Paper. Yeah, meaning of the paper in Urdu. Yeah, out. Half marks. Come. Now, Afnan. Pain. Pain. Yeah, meaning dard. Okay, right. Next, come Hussein. Play. Wrong. And then, okay, winners are. Come on, put the clap for girls. Loudly put it.